Well, hi guys and welcome. This is Stuart Zadel from Zadel Property Education on set at the Rapid Renovation Formula with Naomi Finlay. Very exciting this morning. The carpets have been laid in all the bedrooms. Now it might look a little bit messy at the moment. And I've actually, just a little tip here, the carpets have been laid and they put a protective metal strip there where it ties into the polished floorboards. And we're covering that up right now just with one of the packing cartons, just so no one scuffs that or makes any marks on it. The Sparky's on site right now, so we're putting up a ceiling light wall fan in there that's remote controlled. You may remember from another video. That's it there, just being made up now and getting ready to go up. But the carpets are in. The colour scheme looks fantastic and amazing if you ask me. Painters are on site today as well, still finishing off, touching up. There's a whole bunch going on right now. And anyway, it's exciting. I couldn't believe the carpet layers from Carpet Court. They were in and out in maybe 2 hours. The three main bedrooms were done in this Carpet Court with the discounts with the Rapid Renovation Formula. That was fantastic. Their service was amazing. They were in and out just like that, which was wonderful to have that happen, especially with so many tradesmen, people on site today. Anyway, that's your update for today. It's really coming together. Should be a finished product fairly soon.